In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how I created this engaging AI renovation transformation video in just a few minutes. These types of AI transformation videos are going extremely viral right now, and many creators are getting millions of views and thousands of followers from this niche. Just look at this Instagram page. It has uploaded only 22 videos and has already gained 12,000 plus followers. And that's not even the most impressive part. Many of its videos have reached hundreds of thousands and even millions of views. This clearly shows how much potential this type of content has. But before we jump into the tutorial, I have one request. Watch this video until the end. I've explained everything step by step, from generating the AI video to editing it in a way that makes it much more engaging and satisfying to watch. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the tutorial. First, take a look at the master prompt I created for making these AI renovation videos. I'm giving it to you completely free, and you'll find the download link in the description. But don't skip the video. Even one small mistake during the generation process can ruin the entire video, so make sure to follow every step carefully. Now, copy the master prompt, open ChatGPT, paste it, and press enter. It will generate 10 AI renovation video ideas for you. Simply choose the one you like. For this tutorial, I'm going with idea number 10. Just type 10 and press enter. ChatGPT will generate 5 scenes, and each scene will include an image prompt and a video prompt. Before generating the images, we'll need a consistent character for the video. That's why I created this character turnaround sheet. You'll find it right below the master prompt. You can edit this sheet to create your own unique character. Let me show you how I customized mine. To do that, open ChatGPT and click the plus icon. Then click Add Photos and upload the character turnaround sheet. Once it's uploaded, you can customize the character however you like. For example, I'm changing the outfit to a charcoal t-shirt plus black baggy jeans and the hair color to ice white. After that, simply press enter, and within a few moments, ChatGPT will generate your new customized character turnaround sheet. Now that our character turnaround sheet is ready, let's start generating the images. Copy the image prompt from scene 1, then open Flow AI. First, upload your character turnaround sheet. Once it's uploaded, click Add to Prompt. Now paste the copied image prompt into the prompt box. Before generating the image, make sure to use these exact settings. Now press enter and wait for the image to generate. Once it is ready, go back to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt from scene 2. Then return to Flow AI. This time, you don't need to use the character turnaround sheet. Instead, upload the scene 1 image you just generated and click Add to Prompt. Now paste the scene 2 image prompt. Press enter and generate the next image. Once the scene 2 image is ready, go back to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt from scene 3. Then, in Flow AI, click Add to Prompt on the scene 2 image, paste the prompt, and press enter. Repeat the same process for the remaining scenes. For scene 4, copy the image prompt, click Add to Prompt on the scene 3 image, paste the prompt, and press enter. Do the same for scene 5. Copy the image prompt, click Add to Prompt on the scene 4 image, paste the prompt, and press enter. Now that all 5 images are ready, it's time to generate the videos. Before generating the videos, make sure to remember this sequence. The first video should be 4 seconds, the second, third, and fourth videos should each be 8 seconds, and the final 5th video should be 4 seconds. Following this timing will make your renovation video flow much more smoothly and feel more engaging. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt from scene 1. Then, in Flow AI, click Add to Prompt on the scene 1 image and paste the video prompt. Before generating the video, make sure to use these exact settings. Keep the duration of the first video at 4 seconds. Now press enter to generate the video. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt from scene 2. Then, in Flow AI, click Add to Prompt on the second image. Paste the prompt, set the duration to 8 seconds, and press enter to generate the video. Now generate the third and fourth videos the same way. Just use their corresponding video prompts. Now generate the 5th video the same way. Copy the video prompt from ChatGPT. Click Add to Prompt on the 5th image in Flow AI. Paste the prompt, and keep the duration at 4 seconds. Now all 5 videos are ready. This is where the video generation process ends. Next, I'll show you how to edit them to make the final video much more engaging. Now open your preferred editing software and import all the videos we've generated. Now, take a look at the first video clip and check for any mistakes or awkward parts.
For example, in this clip, the beginning doesn't look right. Our character steps onto the water, and then the frame suddenly changes. Find where the clip starts looking normal. split it there, and delete the unwanted part. Do the same with the rest of the video clips, trimming out any mistakes or bad-looking sections. Once you've trimmed all the unwanted parts from every video clip, it's time to make the transitions look much smoother by adding motion blur. Select the first clip, then scroll through the toolbar at the bottom until you find motion blur and tap on it. Now, for the blur, blend, direction, and time values, you can use the exact settings I'm using, or adjust them to whatever looks best for your video. Once you're done, tap OK, and within a few seconds, the motion blur will be applied. Repeat the same process for all the remaining clips. Once you've applied motion blur to all the clips, it's time to make the video look even better. Now, tap Adjust and make a few basic adjustments like brightness, contrast, saturation, sharpen, and any other settings you want. You can simply copy the values I'm using or adjust them to whatever looks best to you. Now let's add a simple zoom in effect. Add a keyframe at the start and end of the first clip, then do the same for the second clip. Next, go to the end keyframe of the first clip and slightly zoom in. Then go to the start keyframe of the second clip and apply the same zoom level. This creates a smooth transition between the two clips while keeping the zoom consistent. Repeat the same process for all the remaining clips. You can also add a text at the beginning of the video to make it more engaging. Now simply export the video using the best quality settings. And here's our final result. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll keep bringing you more AI tutorials like this. If you have any questions or get stuck at any step, just leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.